And just like that, boop. You ever wonder how to make your curls last and not let them get so flat? Well, I'm about to show you. You need a handful of these. Then you want to take a section of your hair where the curls seem to all be going the same way. And you can take as big of sections as you like, small sections as you like. And you want to finger comb them and twist in the direction of the hair. Then you want to start wrapping that and make little bantu knots. Or you can do one big ponytail, but I get better results when I do this. Boom. And then you want to repeat that same step on this side. Boop. You got heatless curls, okay? The original heatless. And we're going to add our bonnet on there and we're going to call it a night. Nice stretchy band, nice something long. Like, okay, your girl woke up late today, got a ton of things to do, so let's just take my little twist down and see what happened. Did not put no oil on my hands because I don't want my hair getting all oily. So I'm just gonna some of them gave me a different curl pattern just because I did bigger slices, but that's totally fine with me. I love the messy look. I'm not sure if you're into that. Like the messy look, like it's just naturally like that. Like I just washed it. Like, yeah, girl, I'll mix. Psych. Okay. Got orders to do for my e-commerce store. I have to decorate and redo my office. Oh, look at that. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm forgetting about bantu knots. I can do this actually to my natural hair too. And it really actually comes out just the same. More, you know, not as silky, but still it'd be pretty silky for what it came from. didn't put anything on my hair. Timo? Okay. And that's before combing. That's before shaking. What you think? You like it? Cute? No? Yes. Do a little part. Make it not so flat at the top. Okay. Your girl is back. I love it. Alright, I gotta go. See y'all later. Actually, I might just wear it like that. Just to loosen up a little bit because I'm out of time. So. Shopping. A way to style your hair once it gets oily from your silk press, okay?